some of your homework will have perpetual, well, they'll have FIFO and LIFO in units only, not dollars. So how does that work? Same problem, except we're not keeping track of any dollars. Notice how this is set up. I put the purchases and sales here just so I don't get confused. I'm easily confused. So February 1st we had a purchase, then we sold something, you know, and so forth. You set it up with the number of units, you get the date, number of units, and then your various layers of inventory. And here we've got 3 layers of inventory, one at 10, one at 12, one at 14. So February 1st we bought 3 at 10, so we put that in the $10 column. Yes, 3, fine, we can do this. Then on February 5th, we sold 2. So which 2 did we sell? Well, this is FIFO, first in, first out, and we've only got 1 layer anyway, so -2. Okay, so when we look at that layer, we started with 3, now we've got 1 left, but we don't total it, we just kind of keep that in our head. On the 11th, we purchased 8 at 12, so now we have 8 in our second layer. And when we sell them, we sell 6 on the 15th. Which 6 do we sell? Well, we had 1 left in layer 1. This is FIFO, so we're going to finish. We took 1 from there, and we took the rest from the $12 ones that we just bought. So first in was this, next in was that. So then we bought some more on the 20th at 14, and so now we have 5 at our layer of $14. So then when we sell the 3, first in, first out, 3 minus 2 minus 1, we've already depleted this layer. So we had 8 minus 5, we got 3 left here, so it must have been there that we sold them from, the $12 units. And so what are we left with as our ending inventory? We depleted this layer, we used up all of this layer, but we've got 5 left at 14. So ending inventory, just in units, $5 times 14, it's the $70. Notice it still comes out the same $70 with FIFO because the first units are always the first units. Anyway, that's how you set up the layers. Let's look at the layers under LIFO. A little bit different here. Okay, so when we do the same thing with LIFO, I don't know where, purchases over here, a little bit more readable over here. Okay, so you get the same 3 units you bought here for layer 1, and the same sale of those 2 units, since those are the only 2 you have. We buy the 8 at 12, so we have our second layer. Now, this is where LIFO, you know, is different from FIFO. When we sell these 6, which 6 do we sell? Last in, first out. We're taking them out of layer 2. We're going to let layer 1 be. And so now we've taken 6 out of layer 2, because that was the most recent purchases, the last in. Okay, now we buy some more. So now we've got 3 layers. We've got 5 at 14. Then we sell 3. Which 3 do we sell? Out of the most recent layer. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So when we total this up, we've got 1 left at 10, 2 left at 12, and 2 left at 14. So that's how we compute our ending inventory under LIFO, just in units only. Okay, so now one interesting thing, and I'm not going to take up a lot of time on it here, but I kind of summarize all the different things that happen with the various methods that we just did. So you've got your weighted, your average cost methods, your FIFO, and your LIFO, all 3 methods, and you can sort of see the difference in your ending inventories, your cost of goods sold, and your gross profit for each way of doing things.